Okay, so Dr. Fisher here with one of my patients, Heather.
Hello.
So state your full name.
I'm Heather Chell.
And am I paying you for this right now?
No, you're not.
You wish I was.
I mean,
So how old are you?
I am 19 years old.
19 years old.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a great testimonial on Fisher Traction because we don't have many young patients that are 19 that had some pretty massive problems when you first came in.
Oh, yeah.
And so we're going to get a little bit of info from her about her traction experience. So when you first came in, what was going on?
I mean, had constant neck pain every day, like severe migraines and stuff where it's hard to function throughout the day. It totally sucked. And so now that I've been going to you and then doing the traction stuff, every time I've been getting a headache or something with my neck, I just do a traction and it's almost immediately gone. Because I told you twice this week I was in pain and it just went away through the traction. And it's I don't know, I probably get neck pain once a week now versus earlier it was every day constant. So yeah, it's awesome.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Awesome. And so you do your traction at home.
Yeah.
You hook it to a door, lay on the ground. Yeah. How difficult is it to use it?
It's really easy. Just it takes 10 minutes out of the day. And me personally, I like the 30-second break in between because I think that helps better than just doing it the full 10 minutes. So the 5 minutes and the 5 minutes, I think that works better for me.
Yeah.
So.
And there's been actual studies shown that the intermittent traction is more effective than just traction by itself.
Right, yeah.
Because you're actually decompressing the spine and your nerves, which you're proof that it works.
Right.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I totally appreciate it. And I'm so glad we were able to help you. Cool.